Converting a Bitcoin voucher to Bitcoin is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency transactions. To begin, it is essential to understand what a Bitcoin voucher is. A Bitcoin voucher is a prepaid coupon that can be redeemed for a specific amount of Bitcoin. These vouchers are often purchased from online retailers or physical stores and can be a convenient way to buy Bitcoin without needing to link a bank account or credit card. The first step in converting a Bitcoin voucher to Bitcoin is to find a reputable online platform that supports voucher redemption. There are several websites and exchanges that offer this service, including popular cryptocurrency exchanges and online marketplaces. When selecting a platform, it is crucial to consider factors such as security, fees, and user reviews. Once you have chosen a platform, create an account if you do not already have one. This will typically involve providing some basic information, such as your name and email address, and verifying your identity. After your account is set up, navigate to the voucher redemption section of the platform. This is usually found in the account dashboard or under a separate section for buying and selling Bitcoin. To redeem your voucher, enter the unique code provided on the voucher and select the amount of Bitcoin you want to receive. The platform will then prompt you to enter a Bitcoin wallet address where you want to receive the funds. If you do not have a Bitcoin wallet, you will need to create one before proceeding. There are several types of Bitcoin wallets available, including software wallets, hardware wallets, and paper wallets. After entering your wallet address, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Check the amount of Bitcoin you will receive, the fee associated with the transaction, and the wallet address. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction and wait for the Bitcoin to be credited to your wallet. This may take a few minutes, depending on the platform and the current state of the Bitcoin network. In conclusion, converting a Bitcoin voucher to Bitcoin is a relatively simple process that requires a basic understanding of cryptocurrency transactions and online platforms. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can easily redeem your Bitcoin voucher and start using Bitcoin for online transactions. Always remember to prioritize security and use reputable platforms to avoid any potential risks or scams.